Jessica, this is John with Opals. I've set something up on your Opals site and I thought I'd send you a short clip. To see all users, you'll go to Users in the group editor. This would show you any students, teachers, library staff, etc. And I've added two student accounts. You'll see user type student over here as opposed to library staff. And I made it up, a student ID number. Let me show you. I'm clicking the name and you'll see that I made up a student ID number and I put it in the first and last name because the first and last name are required fields currently. And then I put the user barcode down here, the same student ID number. In fact, I could put it here too. It doesn't hurt to put it all over it. It might just be a bit redundant when it pulls up on a screen. You'll see it all over the place. Okay. So I also use the homeroom, and I'll show you why. The homeroom 100, teacher, Hume, and grade. All right, I'm just going to resave this. Okay, now let me show you a site to illustrate circulation. This is a demo site, so the students aren't real on this. So I'm going to go to teacher group loans, and it's a really fast way of loaning out items to lower grade levels when they come to the library as a class. So I'm going to pull up the teacher. It's Mr. Vetter. And you'll see that all the students will line up over here. So all the students that have Mr. Vetter right here. So I'm just going to pick this first student and you'll see that the teacher's Mr. Vetter, homeroom 110, grade 2. Again, these are not real people. Here's a student, and I use this for testing. That student has some overdues, $5,000 plus. I'm faking it though. So this makes it easy because you can just click each student and see what they have out right away, and then you can loan books to them. It makes it really fast for when groups of students come in and dropped off or are with their teacher. So if we go back to your site, let's go to circulation teacher group loans, and I'm going to pull up, let's do a teacher. Now there's only one in there, Hume, and there's the two students. Now there's no names. And this is kind of redundant because I have to have the first and last name, and then there's the barcode, and here's the teacher. And the reason I used homeroom, grade, and teacher is because there's overdue notices that can be done by teacher or homeroom. There's many reports that are driven with things like homeroom and grade and teacher. So I thought I should mention that because it's really helpful. Also, we do have 3,000 schools and we have very secure servers. And no one's ever violated any of our servers, any of our security or anything in, I don't know, almost in decades of library automation. So, but I'm glad to help out doing what you asked about, and I thought I'd illustrate that right here. So that's it. There's one other point I wanted to show in this short video. Sorry. We should talk about cataloging because these, I noticed somebody put some books in, and I just need to tell you that I'm going to click edit. I see there's call numbers, but they shouldn't be done like this. This is a prefix. A call number prefix is usually something like GN for graphic novels, or E for easy reader, or ER, or REF for reference, or DVD for a DVD, things like that. The $5.99 should be down here. Okay, so let me just cut that. I'm going to put it down here. There, $5.99. Then the 50 goes after a dot, and then POR, the author, first three letters of the author would go there. So this is how a call number should be. It's much better like that because that's the AA cataloging rules, Library of Congress, all these rules of libraries that come up with this. That's the conventional or the typical way of doing a call number. Thought I'd mention that too. And I have many resources to facilitate your cataloging of books. So I'll end this recording and we will be in touch. Glad to help.